Hey YouTube family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to restore or replenish moisture if your hair is damaged or dehydrated. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video. Okay guys, here we are. This is my hair right now and it's still in its protective style. Guys, you can already see the damage. Like, look at how my hair, it's like already ripping off even though I haven't taken it down. So I'm just going to take that down real quick. So here we are guys, like you can already see so much damage. My hair is falling out so badly. Oh my goodness, look at this. Like it's really ripping out. Like my hair is just ripping out, ripping off, shedding way too much. Like guys, this is a lot of damage. You can see my front hair is completely ruined. Like I tried so hard to grow it back, but it's gone guys, it's gone. Look at how much hair I'm shedding just from taking down my hair. Like I haven't even detangled yet. So guys, the first thing I always do when taking care of my hair is pre-shampoo. So guys, for pre-shampoo, I'm going to be using this olive and clove oil. It's therapeutic guys, you can see on the bottle. And guys, I'm going to be leaving the links to all these products down below. So you can either reach out to them. You can just like, if you want to order on Amazon, it's okay. But if you don't want to, you could just like click on it and so you can see the names of the product even more clearly, just so you can get them if you want. So guys, the first thing I do, like I said, it's pre-shampoo my hair. So first I'm going to damp my hair a little bit, and guys, I just damp my hair because it's so dry at this point, so I cannot just go in with my comb or with my detangling brush. I'm just going to rip it out even more. So before I apply my oil, I'm just going to damp the hair a little bit, like not wet it completely but damp it a little bit, and then I go in with my oil, and then I'm just going to like brush it out, and the next thing I'm just going to put it in a twist. Guys, putting my hair in a twist is just my own way of preventing that section from disturbing me, you know, from working with other sections, because my hair is so thick. So working my hair in sections, it's just always the best thing for me to do, and it always gives me the best result instead of just working it in bulk. Like I said, I just damp my hair a little bit before going in with my oil. And then I just first of all use a white tooth comb to detangle, starting with the root, and then I go in with my detangling brush and I just twist it out. So guys, this is my hair all pre-shampooed. Guys, look at how much hair my hair is shedding. Like this is way too much. This is damage. This is emotional damage. Oh my god, like that's way too much. So guys, after pre-shampooing my hair, you don't have to leave, like I just didn't leave it at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my hair wet. Guys, that's the very first step to moisturizing. Water is the key to moisture, not oil. Oil is not moisture. Oil is good, but it's not moisture. Water is the key, guys. Water is everything. So I'm going to get my hair really wet. Like I'm going to make sure my entire hair is really wet, every strand of my hair. And next, I'm just going to go in with my vinegar and water. So this is a mixture of vinegar and water. So I'm going to run you quickly to how I got this. I'm going to be using this cup. I didn't have a measuring cup, so I decided to use this one. And guys, I'm going to be doing 8 by 8. So I'm going to use 8 ounces of vinegar. And I'm also going to add 8 ounces of water. So altogether, it's going to give me 16 ounces. I mean, that's a lot though. I'm not going to use everything, but I just wanted to have a specific measurement. So all I'm going to do is fill that in my spray bottle and I'm good to go. So this is what it looks like. So guys, next I'm just going to spray the vinegar on my hair, and guys, this thing stings. Like it stings, stung. The smell is awful. It's terrible. So guys, you need to prepare your mind, your body, your soul, and your spirit to use this vinegar and water, because it smells so bad. So guys, I'm just going to make sure I get my entire hair, massage the vinegar in and all that. And next, I'm just going to rinse that off. I did leave it on for like 15 minutes. Guys, you can leave it on for even more, but I left it on for 15 minutes. And then I just went ahead and rinsed it out. So guys, next I'm going to be using this Creme of Nature Intense Conditioning Treatment. Guys, you need to see this, like you need to look at this closely, because this is the game changer, guys. This is just the game changer. So I'm going to be applying this on my hair in sections. Like I said earlier, I get the best results when I work my hair out in sections. So guys, I'm just going to be applying this starting from the tip of my hair and working my way down. Guys, you know, the tip of the hair is one of those parts that is mostly forgotten, but which is the most fragile and which is the most important. So that's why, if you've noticed, whenever I'm applying anything or whatever process I'm doing, I always make sure I start with the tip of my hair, just so I don't forget that part. And I take my time to massage the product on the tip before I work my way down. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. My hair is feeling like so soft right now. It's already bouncy. Guys, look at that. Like, this deep conditioning treatment is just the best. Like, it's a game changer. Guys, it literally brought my hair back to life. And that's it, guys. So I'm just going to do the same thing with my entire hair, applying this deep conditioner, starting from the tip of my hair, working my way down to the roots, and then twisting them out. Guys, you have to also remember, if you've noticed, I always go in with a wide tooth comb before using a detangling brush. This is really important, guys. You do not want to increase the damage. I mean, my hair is already breaking out. It's already falling out a lot. I do not really know the cause. It might be due to the protective style I had on, and it might also be due to other reasons. So you do not want to increase the damage. You want to do everything possible to reduce the damage or to stop it completely. And one of the ways to do that is by not using tiny combs or small combs. Start with a wide tooth comb and then use the detangling brush later. That is exactly what I'm doing here. So guys, when I finish deep conditioning, I'm just going to put that in a shower cap, and I'm just going to leave that on for 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. So here we are, guys. This is 30 minutes later, and I'm just going to be rinsing that up. Guys, my hair, oh my goodness, my hair feels so soft right now. Oh my god. I feel like celebrating. Guys, my hair feels super soft already. Like, you can see how my hair looks. Like, just my twist alone looks different from how it was looking when I just pre-shampooed my hair. So you can see how bouncy it is, guys. Look at, oh my goodness, look at how my hair is bouncy. Like, the moisture is just back. It's back. And guys, one thing I want you to note is that I do not have unique curl patterns. So my hair is not curly. Okay, if you're expecting to see some sort of bouncy curls, you know, curly, guys, I'm not a curly girl. I'm not a curly person. I have kinky hair, and mine is really like extremely kinky. So I do not have unique curl patterns. So you're not going to see my hair like really curling up unless I use certain products or unless I curl them myself. And sometimes it doesn't even work either. So after rinsing the deep conditioner out, lastly, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner. So this is the one that I'm going to leave in my hair. So this one stays in the hair. And I'm using the Creme of Nature together with olive and clove oil just to seal in the moisture. I'm also going to apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower. And guys, as usual, you can see I start with the tip of my hair. So I'm starting with the tip of my hair and then working my way down. So guys, for some people at this point, you're going to see really good curls, like their hair will curl out. You will see the curls really defined. And then I go in with my oil to seal. Guys, it feels so soft right now. Like, oh my goodness, it's so soft. Guys, oh my goodness, look at my hair. Oh god, I feel like crying. It really ripped off my hair, guys. Look at my edges. My front hair is gone. It's literally gone. It's gone. It's dead. Like I said, after applying my leave-in conditioner, I just use the oil to seal in the moisture and then comb it out just a little bit more for the last time. And guys, for this part, instead of twisting the hair, I'm going to be braiding the hair out. This is because I do not plan on styling immediately, and I'm not doing any wash and go, so if you're doing wash and goes, it's not necessary. If you're styling right after washing, it's not necessary. But because I'm not styling it immediately, I'm just going to put it in a braid. Putting my hair in braids just makes it a lot easier when I'm taking it down to style, because my hair remains stretched. So it keeps my hair stretched, and that's why I'm doing that. After applying my leave-in conditioner, I'm braiding my hair out. So this is what it's looking like. Yes, guys, we need that dance, okay? This was hard work. So guys, this was a 4-step process, and it could be a 3 for you if you normally do not pre-shampoo. So guys, I really wanted to use this, but guys, it was so big. Oh my god, look at that. It was so big. I didn't expect it to be like that. So I'm just going to go with my regular. So this is like the next day, and I just decided to film a little bit to show you, what my hair is looking like after the whole process. And guys, like I said, don't forget, my hair is not curly, okay? I do not have curly hair. This is how my hair looks like. This is my texture. It's really fine. And guys, you can see from my fingers, it looks moisturized. You see, that's how you can tell when your hair is still moisturized. I mean, not just oily, but really soft and shiny. And guys, look at that. Just by pulling my hair, nothing is ripping out. Like absolutely nothing is coming off. Remember when we first started, just doing that alone was ripping my hair. But right now I'm doing the same thing, but no hair is coming out. So that's to tell you how much change this has done to my hair. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to be trying a twist out on my hair. So watch out for that if you want to see me do it. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.